As more and more people turn to freelancing as a viable career option, the competition for high-paying clients has become increasingly fierce. With an abundance of talented individuals vying for the same jobs, freelancers need to stand out and position themselves as top-notch professionals in order to land those coveted high-paying projects. While the internet has provided countless opportunities for freelancers to connect with potential clients, it can also be overwhelming and daunting to navigate. But fear not, because in this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies on how to effectively attract and secure high-paying clients online. So get ready to level up your freelancing game and start reaping the rewards you deserve. Let's dive in. Here's some tips to get high-paying clients online. Optimize your online profile. Optimizing your online profile is the first step towards securing high-paying clients as a freelancer. In a digital world where first impressions matter, your online presence serves as your virtual storefront. Craft a profile that is professional, compelling, and tailored to your niche. Highlight your skills, experience, and past successes, providing potential clients with a clear understanding of your capabilities. A well-optimized profile on freelancing platforms, LinkedIn, or your personal website not only attracts attention, but also instills trust. It's the foundation upon which high-paying clients are more likely to engage with you. Recognizing your expertise and commitment to excellence. Specialize in a niche. Specializing in a niche is a pivotal strategy for attracting high-paying clients online. Instead of being a jack of all trades, focus your efforts on a specific industry or skill set where you excel. Niche specialization sets you apart in a crowded marketplace, making you the go-to expert for clients seeking tailored solutions. High-paying clients often value specialized knowledge, as it can lead to more efficient and effective results. Your expertise in a niche not only commands higher rates, but also fosters trust and credibility. In a world of generalists, becoming a specialist is your key to unlocking lucrative freelance opportunities online. Build a stellar portfolio. Building a stellar portfolio is the cornerstone of attracting high-paying clients online. Your portfolio is your visual resume, showcasing your best work, expertise, and the value you bring to the table. It's a dynamic tool that speaks for your skills and reliability. Craft your portfolio with care, emphasizing past successes, case studies, and client testimonials. High-paying clients want to see concrete proof of your abilities. A compelling portfolio not only instills confidence, but also acts as a persuasive tool, demonstrating your commitment to delivering exceptional results. It's your ticket to impressing and securing top-tier freelance opportunities online. Network actively. Actively networking online is a crucial strategy for securing high-paying clients in the freelance world. Building and nurturing connections in your industry, whether through social media, forums, or professional networks, can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Engage in meaningful conversations, share your expertise, and connect with potential clients. Networking not only helps you stay updated on industry trends, but also positions you as a go-to expert in your field. As you establish relationships and gain visibility, high-paying clients are more likely to seek out your services, recognizing the value you bring to the table. It's a pathway to success in the digital freelance landscape. Content marketing. Content marketing is a potent tool for freelancers aiming to attract high-paying clients online. By creating and sharing valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts, you establish your expertise and build trust with potential clients. This content showcases your knowledge, problem-solving skills, and your ability to provide real solutions. Regularly publishing content related to your niche not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also draws the attention of high-paying clients seeking skilled and knowledgeable freelancers. It's a dynamic way to engage and connect with your target audience and secure top-tier freelance opportunities in the digital realm. Social media presence. Your social media presence is a powerful asset when it comes to attracting high-paying clients online. Establish a professional and engaging profile across platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Share your work, insights, and engage with industry-specific hashtags and groups. This presence showcases your expertise, builds your brand, and connects you with potential clients. High-paying clients often rely on social media to research, and identify freelancers who align with their needs and standards. An active, well-crafted social media presence not only helps you stand out, but also signals your commitment to excellence, making you a more attractive choice for top-tier freelance projects. Online advertising. Online advertising is a strategic weapon in the freelancer's arsenal to attract high-paying clients online. By investing in platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads, you can specifically target your ideal clients. This form of advertising enables you to reach individuals or businesses seeking your expertise. It's a way to showcase your services, skills, and unique value proposition to a tailored audience. In a highly competitive digital landscape, online advertising can help you stand out, increasing your visibility and the chances of connecting with high-paying clients who are actively looking for freelancers with your skill set. It's a direct path to more lucrative opportunities. Leverage existing networks. Leveraging your existing professional networks is a smart strategy to attract high-paying clients online. Your current contacts, colleagues, and clients can be valuable sources of referrals and recommendations. Reach out to them, letting them know about your freelance services and areas of expertise. Satisfied clients are often willing to refer you to their network or even hire you directly for new projects. Personal connections and word-of-mouth recommendations carry significant weight in the digital freelance world. By tapping into your existing network, you can jumpstart your online freelancing career, connecting with high-paying clients who come with a trusted endorsement. Freelance marketplaces. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, and Toptal are rich hunting grounds for high-paying clients online. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking a wide range of services. To maximize your success, create a compelling profile, showcasing your skills, experience, and past projects. Bid on projects that align with your expertise and desired rates. While competition can be fierce, these platforms provide visibility and access to clients actively seeking freelancers. Successfully navigating freelance marketplaces involves a combination of skill, strategy, and effective communication. When executed well, these platforms can be a gateway to lucrative freelance opportunities in the digital realm. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is an essential component of attracting high-paying clients online. In the fast-paced world of freelancing, staying updated with industry trends and expanding your skill set is crucial. High-paying clients often seek freelancers who bring fresh perspectives and the latest expertise to their projects. Investing in ongoing education, workshops, and certifications not only demonstrates your commitment to excellence, but also equips you with the knowledge to provide cutting-edge solutions. Your ability to adapt and innovate sets you apart, making you more appealing to clients who value freelancers that are up to date and capable of delivering the best results. In conclusion, landing high-paying clients as a freelancer is all about building a strong online presence, showcasing your expertise, and offering top-notch services. By implementing the tips shared in this guide, you can elevate your freelance career and attract lucrative opportunities. Remember, hard work, determination, and continuous learning are key to success in the competitive world of freelancing. So go out there, put in the effort, and watch your client list and income grow. Happy freelancing! Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.